Welcome to the final update on our AI leadership workshop. We should be at our 90-day mark or just past that. If you look back at where we started, most of you statistically or not strategically using AI actively throughout your day side with it. At this stage side, you should be actively using it on a daily basis. You should be encouraging your teams at this point to be using it on a daily basis, to find the boring things, to find the remedial tasks. Basically, the stuff people don't like to do are some of the best candidates to use AI in an operational aspect side. It should be the first thing you think of at this stage. You want to start looking at every challenge that comes to you, thinking, how can AI help you with this? And I know that's called out in Jeff Wood's book side of it, and I think it's a really valuable statement and thought process to adopt as you look at AI, not only from where it's traditionally been the last few years, but where it's going, because it's only going to be something you can leverage greater for you and your teams and your organization as things progress and change. 2026 is going to bring some very profound changes in AI that I think is going to dwarf what we saw the last couple of years. The ability for AI to actively complete tasks throughout your organization and to really be something you can leverage to a tremendous extent is something you really need to engage in and start to understand. Microsoft just released, for those of you that have the Microsoft Copilot license side with it, Microsoft Cowork, you'll find in the agents. I would suggest you look at that. If you're not seeing it, you may reach out to us. We can help you make sure you have your frontier models turned on. This will allow you to complete tasks for you. Not only can it find emails, meetings, and those things, it can draft the responses, it can draft the follow-ups, it can start creating a sales process for you. It can actually start doing tasks for you, which is a good example of where things are rapidly advancing as we started out this year, and it's only going to get even better and better as the year goes on. So wanted to thank each and every one of you for your participation in the workshop. Hope this is moving along and been valuable to you. If you need any assistance, obviously we're here for you. We've expanded our team at CIT even further around the AI expertise area side, and we're very excited to help you along in this journey. So thank you again for your participation, and we're here to help.